Here's a preview of day 3. We're starting at Moab, and this is just a time lapse that I shot while I was doing other things. But I have so much footage to go through that I just wouldn't be doing the day justice by making one video. This is going to be at least 3 videos, maybe 5. From Moab to Grand Junction to wandering a little dirt roads, a little salt flats, and then this time lapse of 70 going through Vale Pass, trying to get through the Eisenhower Tunnel in the snow. I mean, there's just a lot here to go through. All in all, yesterday was a 700-mile day with a lot of stops, a lot of visits. I mean, it's just too much. By the time I got to a hotel, it was almost 11 last night, and I had nothing left for video editing. But I threw this together a little while ago, and I don't think there'll be any more videos on this trip, so enjoy.